First time I got a defective machine. Amazon sent their washing machine inspector, he recommend replacement. Within 3 days I received new machine replace the defective machine. New machine is okay. Thanks Amazon. After delivery within 3 hours Whirlpool company's technician came. They demo the. I have been using Whirlpool for the past 10 years. So, got it with an exchange deal. I believe it should be working fine for the next 10 years at least. I will post an update if needed after a year or two and if I remember to update lol. As of now, just 3 months into usage, it works really well. The stability of the dryer spin tub is better than the previous model. I think the motor is more powerful in this one than the previous model which I purchased 10 years ago. Product is damaged, please replace it. The Amazon replace it. I am very happy. Very good machine. But it was some problem. Excellent product for small family like 3 to 4. Thanks to Amazon. Good quality of product. Product is lightweight and easy to move around. Downside being it wobbles a lot during spin drying. Overall the product is good. Easy to use, not much intelligence or skill required. Wash quality is good. Washing time can be flexible between 15 minutes to 40 minutes. Based on how free you are to operate. Go for it. If you like it old school way without much jazziness. There was an arrangement by product support to show demo for my aged mother-in-law. That was helpful for her. Overall good machine, made some noise during spin initially, however if we lay the clothes properly noise is minimized. I have used it for 3 weeks, it was fine. And there are wheels which makes it portable and useful. Initially I wondered if the noise was due to these wheels movement, however that was not a big issue. Once clothes was laid properly in tub, spin was smooth and good. It serves the purpose. Saves lot of water and you can put any number of clothes as you wish. Good PRDT. Quick delivery by Amazon. Upon delivery Whirlpool people contacted me and sent their rep for product demo. Overall it's a very good machine with good finish and very simple and easy to use features. One drawback, quality of backside cover used for accessing motors and other accessories of machine is very poor. I would be happy if Whirlpool upgrades this cover with better one. This is my second semi-automatic machine from brand Whirlpool. First one purchased in year 2010. Thanks Amazon and Whirlpool. Click link in description for more reviews.